Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to create this exact animation, and you can use this animation as your channel intro. So let's get started. So first start by deleting the default cube. Now we will add some text. Now another text. So you can go to the edit mode by pressing tab. First we have to move it so we can see clearly what we are doing. That's it. Now we have to give it font. So select this one and click on this text option. Now in the font settings, go to the fonts and click on the regular one, open font. Now this will open the default fonts that are installed in your window. I have downloaded another font. I will provide the link in the description. Click on this and open font. Now you can see it has changed. Similarly we will do for this one. Now you can see the font has totally changed. Now select both of these and rotate it on x-axis 90 degrees. Press 90. Now select this and go to geometry and extrude this one about 0.03, and same for this. Now you can resize this one. Now to give them color, we have to convert them into mesh. Now they are in curve. We can see these are curved. Now to convert it into mesh, click on object, convert to mesh from curves. Now this one is converted. Now similarly for this one. Now we can give them a nice material. Go to the materials tab, new, and I will add a glossy material with this white color and point for roughness. I will give this same material to this one. Now we have to add a background. So shift A and plane. Rotate it x-axis 90 degrees. And we have to scale this. Scale it on z-axis to reduce it a little bit. Now select the camera. So click on this camera button and zoom in a little bit. Press N. Go to view and lock camera to view. Press N again. Now select your suitable view from where you want to view your animation. Now go to materials tab and give the background also give it some material. So I will keep it as diffused and roughness this, and this will be, I think this will work. Yes. Now the main thing is lightening. So select the light source and select area. You can increase the size of the area and rotate it on z-axis. To view it more clearly, go to rendered view and rotate it on y-axis. Go to the camera view and see if you like the view, and we will bring this a little bit forward. Yeah, that's it. Now this will be our view, but we have to animate it. So we have to apply another modifier, which is build modifier. So click on the first one and go to modifiers. Click on build. Now it will, what it does, it builds your mesh from start. So first it will be nothing. It will start from frame 1. And how long it take? It should take at least 50 frames. And same for this one. It should start at 20 and its size should be, give it 60. So total animation would be 80 frames, but we will keep it to hundreds. Set the end frame to 100. Now if we play this animation, you can see that it's making. And from camera's view, this is how your animation will look like. Now see if you see any difference, or you want anything else, or you want to change the camera. So that's all. Now to create the video, click on this scene and select eaves, because cycles takes a lot of time and render value should be 100. And in output properties everything is okay, frame rate also. Just select it as a video format, because this is currently on image format. So select AVI JPEG. Many people select FFmpeg, but this is not as good as AVI. So select this and quality to 100, and then click on render animation. So once it is rendered, it will automatically save in this folder. You can also change this folder to anyone else. If I select desktop, it will be saved on desktop. Then click render animation. Then it will take some time, so I will pause the video. And thanks for watching.